Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface and aligning the sticker precisely. Clean with isopropyl alcohol and dry. This removes oil so adhesive bonds. Once done, hold the sticker by its edges and peel the backing halfway. This gives control. Make sure to align using a corner or printed guide, then lower the exposed half. You want confidence in placement before full contact because repositioning reduces adhesion. Press center to edge to expel air bubbles and set the initial bond. You now apply consistent pressure to fully adhere the sticker. Use a squeegee or stiff card and push from the center toward edges. This forces air out and ensures uniform contact. If you see a trapped bubble, lift the nearest edge and reapply that small section. This prevents stress on the entire sticker. For curved or textured surfaces, make sure to warm the adhesive briefly with a hair dryer at a moderate distance so it becomes more pliable and conforms without stretching. You finish by allowing the sticker to cure and cleaning up edges. Leave it undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours so the adhesive achieves full strength. Make sure not to expose it to water for at least 12 hours. Trim any overhang carefully with a sharp blade held at a shallow angle to avoid gouging. If bubbles remain, prick the bubble with a fine pin, press the air out, and reseal. If large adhesion failures occur, remove and apply a replacement sticker to avoid future peeling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.